Sprout Fauna Robotics. The American firm Fauna Robotics has made it their mission to create intelligent, trustworthy, and entertaining robots for common human environments with its Sprout platform. With a focus on safety from the start, Sprout was designed with a pliable motor control system that bends to accommodate outside forces, a supple exterior, minimal pinch points, and lightweight materials. This makes it ideal for use in homes, classrooms, and workplaces. Developers will appreciate the platform's modern workflows, modular autonomy, complete SDK access, and whole-body teleoperation. Without having to rethink the basics of robotics, teams can go straight from concept to prototype to deployment. Disney, UC San Diego, Boston Dynamics, and NYU are among the prominent companies that have adopted Sprout and are investigating its potential uses in the retail, entertainment, educational, and home service industries. Rovar Robot. A small adaptable robotic system, Rovar Robot, is built for discovery, education, and real-world use. Its versatile design prioritizes portability and ease of use on varied terrains. Hence, it usually has a wheeled or tracked base. Its portability is down to its lightweight structure, and its environmental awareness is a result of its sensors and cameras. Providing students with practical experience with coding and mechanical design, Rovar Robot is frequently utilized in educational environments to teach them to robotics, programming, and automation. This practical tool may be programmed to perform tasks like path following, object detection, and obstacle avoidance, making it ideal for experimentation. Rovar Robot goes beyond the realm of teaching to showcase the ways in which robotics may augment fields such as research, remote inspection, and surveillance. Creativity and invention are fostered by its modular design, which enables modification. X-Wing Fighter eVTOL. Drawing inspiration from the renowned Star Wars starfighter, the X-Wing Fighter eVTOL is a concept for a futuristic aerial aircraft that incorporates electric vertical takeoff and landing technology. It fuses state-of-the-art engineering with streamlined sci-fi aesthetics, making it ideal for sophisticated aerospace applications and urban mobility. Distributed electric propulsion guarantees effective lift and thrust, while the aircraft's unique X-shaped wing design improves stability and maneuverability. The eVTOL system is perfect for crowded urban areas or situations requiring quick deployment because it enables vertical takeoff and landing in small places. Modern battery systems offer sustainable power for longer flight periods, while lightweight composite materials decrease energy usage. The cockpit offers both manual and AI-assisted control with augmented reality displays and autonomous navigation functions integrated. Kia Vision MetaTurismo. In honor of Kia's 80th anniversary, the company introduced the Vision MetaTurismo concept in 2025, a state-of-the-art electrified sports car. It blends massive size with state-of-the-art technology in an attempt to provide a novel vision of future mobility. Aerodynamic fins that include headlights and digital side view cameras amplify its long, low, and broad appearance, and the sculptural roof and glass canopy reminiscent of jet fighters give it a formidable character. The lounge-style interior is a harmonious blend of retro-inspired design cues and cutting-edge technology, paying homage to the grand touring style of the 1960s while welcoming modern interfaces and smart glass. In the future, driving will be an experience that combines the senses with technology, and the MetaTurismo exemplifies Kia's idea of bringing the two together. Carnegie Clean Energy CETO. The groundbreaking CETO technology developed by Carnegie Clean Energy harnesses the latent energy of ocean waves to generate sustainable power. Several meters below the water's surface, there is a point absorber device called CETO, which is named after a Greek sea goddess. The buoy's orbital movements are powered by a power takeoff mechanism, which transforms the motion of the waves into electricity. Submerging it makes it stormproof, makes it invisible from shore, and reduces its environmental effect. Updated to include onboard power generation, several moorings, and improved PTO modules, CETO 6 is now more efficient and scalable than ever before. A trustworthy renewable energy source that works in tandem with solar and wind, CETO has patents that prove its cutting-edge innovation. Maia 2 is Fox e-Mobility's. Designed for last-mile delivery and city travel, the Maia 2 from Fox e-Mobility is an advanced electric vehicle. The narrow turning radius, sliding doors and central seating make it incredibly maneuverable in congested city streets, despite its compact size and versatility. A space frame protected cabin, electronic stability control, anti-lock brakes, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot assist all work together to maximize passenger safety. A smart repair system lowers ownership costs, and its flexible space concept permits modification for varied applications. The vehicle's sleek design makes customization a breeze, and its open interface makes it easy to tailor it to certain industries. The Maia 2 is a joint project between Akkodis Germany and Ford, Mercedes-Benz, and renowned design and engineering firms. Vapor CLE Helicopter UAS. For missions requiring long-term intelligence gathering, monitoring, or reconnaissance, the tiny Vapor CLE Helicopter UAS is the way to go. Designed by Northrop Grumman, it expands upon the successful Vapor series while incorporating a bigger fuselage and increased cargo capacity. This allows it to host sophisticated sensors, including radar systems, communication relays, electro-optical and infrared cameras, and more. The Vapor CLE is perfect for persistent observation jobs due to its long operating durations, sometimes more than 8 hours, caused by its heavy fuel engine. It can land and take off vertically, eliminating the need for runways in tight or rough areas. Its adaptability to military, border security, disaster response, and environmental monitoring tasks is made possible by its modular design, which allows for the easy attachment of diverse payloads. In sum, it is a small rotary wing UAS platform that combines durability, adaptability, and dependability. The Rbot9 Rocap. For high-performance tactical and industrial tasks, the Rbot9 Rocap autonomous robotic platform is the way to go. Its excellent mobility and adaptive AI, coupled with its sturdy modular chassis, enable it to negotiate complicated settings with pinpoint accuracy. The versatility of its multi-terrain propulsion technology allows it to effortlessly traverse difficult environments, urban situations, and limited spaces. Rbot9 Rocap is able to navigate its environment, recognize obstacles, and adapt to changing conditions thanks to its suite of sophisticated sensors, which includes LiDAR, thermal imaging, and real-time vision processing. Its built-in AI allows it to make decisions, identify objects, and optimize missions without continuous human oversight. Robotic arms, surveillance modules, and cargo units are just a few examples of the adjustable payload possibilities available for this system. General Atomics Gambit series. Designed to serve modern air warfare through autonomy, adaptability, and cost efficiency, the General Atomics Gambit series is a family of next-generation unmanned combat aircraft developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems. Drones like these are a part of a new idea called Collaborative Combat Aircraft, which aims to increase mission capabilities while decreasing pilot risk by combining the efforts of crewed aircraft with unmanned technology, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and strike missions are just a few of the many functions covered by the Gambit lineup's several variations. Rapid upgrades and mission-specific payload integration are made possible by their open architecture design, which is a crucial feature. The platform can swiftly adjust to new threats because of its flexibility. Gambit drones are designed to be more economical than conventional fighter jets while still penetrating disputed locations. Matrix 3 Robot. Sleek and futuristic, the Matrix 3 robot embodies intelligence and strength. Its sturdy frame strikes a good mix between nimbleness and resilience, and it is built with modern alloy plating. With its humanoid form and built-in sensors, it can walk with ease and stay alert to its environment. At its heart is an adaptive AI system that gives the robot the ability to learn, analyze, and react to complicated situations as they happen. It can engage in high-intensity operations or execute precise duties because to its multifunctional arms. Impressive in stature, its luminous optics double as scanners and channels of communication. As a symbol of humanity's quest for intelligent machines, the Matrix 3 robot embodies the union of state-of-the-art engineering with forward-thinking design, whether envisioned in the role of protector, laborer, or explorer. The Microsoft Azure Maia 200. Optimizing large-scale cloud workloads is the engineering goal of the groundbreaking AI inference accelerator known as Microsoft Azure Maia 200. The FP8, FP4 tensor cores, 216GB HBM3E memory system, and 272MB on-chip SRAM, all built on TSMC's 3nm process, guarantee lightning-fast data transfer and usage. When it comes to inference efficiency, Maia 200 beats over Amazon Trainium and Google TPU, delivering over 10 petaflops at FP4 and 5 petaflops at FP8. Massive AI deployments are a breeze with its scalable networking, which supports clusters of up to 6,144 accelerators. With an eye toward expanding internationally, Microsoft has started installing Maia 200 inches Azure data centers in the United States. Think Platform. Think Orbital's revolutionary idea for commercial space stations, Think Platform, places an emphasis on usefulness and scalability. Unlike inflatable modules, it can be robotically constructed in orbit from flat-packed components after launch, making it a realistic and cost-efficient way to create massive buildings in space. With a 20-meter diameter and 4,000 cubic meters of pressurized volume, the Think Platform 3 model boasts a spherical, modular design 4 times that of the International Space Station. Up to 40 people can be accommodated in low Earth orbit, allowing it to support a wide range of commercial and research endeavors. Designed for industrial use, storage, and scientific experimentation, Think Platform was originally envisioned as a working center or warehouse instead of a luxury abode. The design is based on the idea of space as a commercial and productive hub, with the possibility of future habitation added on top. MaxSpace Expandable Habitats. Lightweight, scalable, and affordably priced, MaxSpace's inflatable habitats promise a paradigm shift in space habitation for orbit, the Moon, and Mars. To maximize usable area while minimizing launch costs, these habitats stretch to volume surpassing 1,000 cubic meters, unlike rigid modules. They launch compactly. In addition to multi-layered hulls that offer better protection against micrometeoroids than the International Space Station, their unique inflatable design guarantees structural integrity, even at stadium-like proportions. They are perfect for scientific study, commercial endeavors, and long-term colonization since they are mass-produced, which lowers costs and speeds up deployment. The adaptability of the interior design makes it suitable for a variety of uses, including living quarters, labs, and industrial settings. These habitats are a paradigm shift in human off-world living and working. The G3 Vision Jet. The most recent iteration of the first personal jet in the world with a single engine, the Cirrus G3 Vision Jet, has been meticulously engineered to merge accessibility, speed, and comfort. The interior has been completely revamped with high-quality materials, ergonomic seats, and an additional seat for a youngster, in addition to 6 adults, made possible by a stylish third-row bench. Travelers can relax and get work done thanks to the spacious cabin, upgraded armrests, built-in tray tables, and gadget mounts. With an additional 30 pounds of usable load, this plane can accommodate gear for both work and play. With over 30 improvements that increase situational awareness and decrease pilot effort, ATC Datalink ensures that safety is paramount. The Rbot Special Edition is one of 5 inside hues available for the G3 Vision Jet, which strikes a good mix between customization and utility. CERN's Particle Collider. Constructed to probe the universe's fundamental building blocks, the Large Hadron Collider at CERN is the most sophisticated particle accelerator in the world. It can accelerate protons or ions to nearly the speed of light using superconducting magnets and accelerating structures. It is located in a 2.7-kilometer underground ring close to Geneva, Switzerland. Its vacuum-sealed beam pipes allow 2 streams of particles to move in opposing directions until they meet at predetermined spots. The circumstances that were present immediately following the Big Bang are reproduced by these collisions, which produce extremely high concentrations of energy. Examining the resultant particles allows scientists to delve into basic inquiries regarding matter, energy, and the origins of the universe. The discovery of the Higgs boson in 2012, which established the mechanism by which particles gain mass. Micro-modular nuclear reactor. Miniature nuclear power plants called micro-modular nuclear reactors may generate clean, steady electricity without emitting any harmful gases. Portability and installation in off-grid or distant locations make them a viable alternative to conventional power plants. Their size is comparable to that of a shipping container. MMRs provide long-term energy security with minimum maintenance, as they are designed to operate for over 10 years without refueling. Their reduced infrastructure needs make them more cost-effective and versatile than traditional nuclear power facilities. They are designed to minimize radioactive waste and include enhanced safety features that limit dangers. When it comes to powering remote enterprises, mining operations, or even entire villages, MMRs are invaluable. In addition to being a reliable source of electricity, even when wind or solar power production varies, they provide a steady supplement to renewable energy sources.
HydroBoat 1200. An UAV with many uses, the HydroBoat 1200 can conduct hydrographic surveys and keep tabs on the environment. A wide variety of water measuring equipment can be easily integrated into this all-inclusive platform. Because of its small weight and improved mobility, it can be easily transported for surveys to different locations and used for a variety of instrument deployments. The HydroBoat 1200 uses cutting-edge GNSS plus IMU algorithms that work together to provide extreme precision. Equipped with millimeter-wave radar, dual-color navigation lights, and a 360-degree PTZ camera, it boasts significant safety enhancements. Advanced data collection and processing, side-scan sonar, dual-frequency sounder, image sonar, multi-parameter water quality meter, and other optional attachments are all compatible with the HydroBoat 1200. Any operation involving current measurement, bathymetry, underwater survey, or water quality assessment would benefit greatly from its use. SURF-eDNA. The goal of the SURF-eDNA project is to bring about a revolution in the mapping of marine biodiversity. This is accomplished through the utilization of an autonomous underwater robot that imitates the movement of a fish, hence enabling it to fit in perfectly with coral reef habitats. The robot is outfitted with a cutting-edge navigation algorithm as well as an electronic DNA filter, which allows it to gather important data regarding the richness of the ecosystem. It is capable of taking high-resolution movies as well as isolated eDNA samples, making it a platform that is minimally invasive and capable of gathering a substantial amount of data. Through the utilization of this cutting-edge methodology, researchers are able to acquire fresh understandings of marine life, which ultimately results in enhanced protection and monitoring of a wide range of marine species and ecosystems. Pyka Pelican Cargo. As far as autonomous electric airplanes go, the Pyka Pelican Cargo is at the forefront. It is a giant leap forward in environmentally conscious logistics since it is the biggest zero-emission freight jet in the world. With an impressive range of up to 200 miles and a cargo volume of 66 cubic feet, the Pelican cargo is built to operate entirely autonomously. It can carry payloads of up to 400 pounds. Designed for last-mile air cargo transportation, this aircraft is built on Pyka's unique autonomous electric flight engine. It offers an expanded range and higher payload capacity. To facilitate loading and unloading, it has a nose-loading system that includes a movable cargo tray. The Pelican cargo's 50-kilowatt swappable lithium-ion battery and 4 electric motors make it possible to go from one trip to another quickly. The Pelican cargo's completely redundant propulsion system satisfies the ship's top priority of safety. Hiwonder SpiderPi Pro. Incorporating artificial intelligence vision and running on Raspberry Pi 4B, the Hiwonder SpiderPi Pro is a state-of-the-art hexapod robot. It has a 5-degree of freedom robot arm, an inertial measurement unit sensor, a glowy ultrasonic sensor, intelligent serial bus servos with a torque of 20 kilograms, and more. Python can be used to program the robot. Machine vision, deep learning, OpenCV, and hexapod robot motion control are just a few of the many areas that can benefit from this platform. With its enhanced 5DOF vision arm, SpiderPi Pro is able to precisely detect, follow, grab, sort, and stack things. A variety of tripod and quadruped gates are made possible by its use of inverse kinematics. It has a number of customizable features, including a height, speed, direction, and turn capability. With the use of an app, you may remotely manage the robot's movements and view a live feed of the camera. KILOW La Bagnole. Combining elements of a Jeep CJ, a tiny pickup truck, and a UTV, the KILOW La Bagnole is an exceptional electric off-roader. We aimed for portability, functionality, and durability in its design. It can conquer any terrain with its top speed of 80 kilometers per hour. It has a weight of just 350 kilograms and a range of 70 or 140 kilometers on its own. The living space is designed to be basic and modular, with wood paneling, putting the driving experience first. The vehicle also has a big, customizable load area. The Bagnole's efficient and entertaining drive is due in large part to its small 16-kilowatt motor. It's a toy that adults can actually play with, according to the manufacturer. In addition to being sensible and functional, this vehicle also provides an entertaining and carefree way to get around town. Unlike conventional cars, it offers a new perspective on movement. Digitsole Smartshoe. In terms of intelligent sneakers, nothing has been done before the Digitsole Smartshoe. The ability for it to automatically tighten and monitor your activity levels is phenomenal in the realm of wearable technology. The built-in sensors track your gait, posture, impact force, heart rate, and calories burned, among other metrics. The device may connect to your smart devices over Bluetooth in order to offer coaching. A heating feature is also built into the Smartshoe, so users can regulate the temperature of their sneakers with the simple touch of a button on their smartphone. Along with that, the sneaker lets the user adjust the fit, temperature, and lighting all from their mobile device. Incorporating cutting-edge technology into footwear, these shoes represent the future of footwear. The ideal combination of form, function, and technology. It is made to improve your routine and exercises. H2Fly Hy4. A hydrogen fuel cell system supplies the propulsion for the H2Fly Hy4, which is a pioneering aircraft. The first flight of this aircraft, which has 4 seats, took place in the year 2016. When it comes to propulsion, the HY4 relies on hydrogen, which is then transformed into energy by its fuel cell technology. It is a sustainable alternative for air travel because it results in aircraft that produces zero emissions. By successfully accomplishing the world's first piloted flight, fueled by liquid hydrogen in the year 2023, the HY4 set a new record globally. Its range expanded from 750 kilometers to 1,500 kilometers as a result of this. An electric motor with 80 kilowatt of power is installed in the HY4, which has a cruising speed of 145 kilometers per hour. A continuous power output of 45 kilowatts is provided by the aircraft's battery, which has a storage capacity of around 21 kilowatt at 1 degree Celsius. Decarbonizing commercial aircraft is a huge step forward. Serpent flood barriers. An original approach to flood protection is provided by the Serpent flood barriers. A powerful barrier against potentially hazardous floods is provided by these inflated tubes. These barriers, which are entirely filled with air, are designed with speed and convenience in mind. Within 12 to 18 minutes, a Serpent berm that is 30 feet in length can be inflated. They come in lengths of 15 feet and 30 feet, and they can provide protection for heights of up to 3 feet. It is possible to link sections in order to produce a more substantial barrier. A powerful flood control system, the Serpent is a result of the expanded skirt, which acts as ballast when the floodwater arrives. In addition to being reusable, they can be deflated, rolled up, and stored simply on pallets, making them convenient for transport and deployment in the future. The Serpent flood barriers are a solution that is both practical and efficient for flood protection. MantaBrew WeighMaster. Revolutionizing the modular coffee scale industry, the MantaBrew WeighMaster combines classic design with cutting-edge technology. Its many brewing modes and multi-module sharing capabilities provide boundless opportunities for interaction and innovation. With the WeighMaster's on-demand modules, you can personalize your coffee experience. On top of that, it has a flip TFT screen, an LED light bar, and feedback on data in real time. The WeighMaster is designed with beginners in mind, with clear instructions that are in line with SCA standards and WBRC champion practices. For more exact brewing, it has a coffee-water ratio mode as well. The components of the WeighMaster can be connected and disconnected thanks to its innovative design. Brew measures are taken to a whole new level by this Hong Kong-based device. The WeighMaster boasts innovative features like as the portafilter tare mode and the weighing timer mode, in addition to its modular design. JFD Seal Carrier. Covert insertion and extraction of combat diver units is the primary function of the JFD Seal Carrier, which is a delivery vehicle that can accommodate 8 swimmers. The surface, semi-submerged, and submerged modes are the 3 modes in which it operates. It is capable of reaching speeds of up to 30 miles per hour when it is out on the surface, but when it is submerged, it travels at a speed of 4 knots, making it a stealthy approach. Through the combination of a water jet and a diesel engine that produces 345 horsepower, the vehicle is able to navigate with remarkable ease. For the purpose of ensuring a secure journey and precise positioning, the Seal Carrier is outfitted with sensors and navigation systems that are located on board. Supplemental mission equipment such as sensors, radio equipment, ammunition, and supplies can be transported by it. No information regarding the cost of the JFD Seal Carrier is made accessible to the general public. Roadrunner M modern ground-based air defense systems include the innovative Roadrunner M, an autonomous air vehicle with vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, and the capability to be reused. Its twin turbojet engines allow it to reach high subsonic speeds while maintaining exceptional maneuverability. With lightning speed, the Roadrunner M can launch, detect, intercept, and destroy any number of aircraft threats. It is a cost-effective option because it can return to base safely for reuse if interception isn't necessary. Thanks to the Roadrunner M's cutting-edge AI and autonomy, a single operator can keep tabs on numerous units at once. Its agility and versatility in the face of future threats are guaranteed by its modular payload system, which permits a variety of mission scenarios. One Roadrunner M is expected to cost somewhere in the low hundreds of thousands of dollars. An NIMR RIV. It is a customized 4-wheel drive tactical vehicle that was created specifically for use in Special Forces operations. The NIMR Rapid Intervention Vehicle. In addition to being highly maneuverable and capable of rapid deployment, the RIV has the capacity to transport a driver and 3 members of the crew, and it may be modified to accommodate as many as 6 passengers. A self-recovery winch is included in its arsenal, and it is also capable of being armed with a variety of light and medium machine guns. including a 12.7mm machine gun that is suspended from the roof. A wheelbase of 3.25 meters is included in the vehicle specifications, which are 4.89 meters in length, 2 meters in width, and 1.81 meters in height. The vehicle has a payload capacity of 1,500 kilograms and a gross weight of 4,000 kilograms. Regarding the cost, the NIMR RIV is estimated to be worth approximately $500,000 at this time. HIS HD Thermal Sniper Sight. For snipers and machine gun crews, Teledyne FLIR has developed the HIS HD Thermal Sniper Sight, a high-performance thermal weapon sight ideal for long-range operations. Even in completely dark or partially lit environments, its operators may detect, identify, and engage targets over 2,200 meters away, thanks to its remarkable clarity and thermal sensitivity. With its high-definition, cryo-cooled focal plane and mid-wave infrared emitter, the HIS HD offers a motorized focus system and a fixed 4-degree field of vision, mounts on MIL STD 1913 rails, and interacts with a variety of day scopes and guns, making it a versatile sight. As an added bonus, it can capture digital video and runs for 3 hours on a single CR123 battery. The base price of the HIS HD is approximately $18,000. However, taxes and shipping costs might significantly affect the final pricing. Crossbow Rbot systems. Quick and accurate deployment are hallmarks of the Rbot Systems Crossbow, a state-of-the-art turreted mortar system. It has a fire rate of 6 rounds per minute sustained and a maximum rate of 10 rounds per minute, and it can fire the first round in less than 30 seconds. The Iron Sting guided mortar is just one of many projectiles that can be fired from this system, which has an effective range of up to 10 kilometers. A wide range of applications can be fulfilled with the Crossbow thanks to its compatibility with 6x6 and 8x8 platforms, tracked vehicles, and stationary installations. Its sophisticated computerized fire control system and 360-degree unlimited pivot capacity enable it to function in areas where GPS is not available. A European customer recently contracted Rbot Systems to equip them with the Crossbow for $53 million. The system's usefulness and efficacy in contemporary combat situations are demonstrated by this contract. Upgraded Motorized Floating Bridge. A high-performance, multi-purpose solution, the upgraded Motorized Floating Bridge has civilian and military uses. Its high-tech features allow it to nimble through the water with ease, including hydraulic ramps, remote control operation, and built-in outboard engines. The rapid assembly and disassembly of the bridge makes it highly suitable for rapid deployment in a range of situations, such as military operations and disaster relief. The bridge can sustain loads of up to 90 tons in some configurations. Less infrastructure, training, and maintenance expenses are just a few of the many logistical benefits it provides. The system's operational flexibility is further enhanced by the fact that it may be aerotransported. Concerning the cost, it changes based on the unique setup and necessities. Depending on the features and capabilities incorporated, the cost can generally range from €1 million to €3 million per unit. Pulsar. The Pulsar series of electromagnetic warfare weapons, which was created by Anduril Industries, makes use of artificial intelligence in order to rapidly adapt to new threats. Electronic countermeasures, counter-unmanned systems, direction finding, and geolocation are some of the capabilities that can be provided by these systems, which are modular and can be placed onto ground vehicles, Pulsar V or airplanes, Pulsar A. The AI-driven approach that Pulsar takes enables real-time understanding and the rapid deployment of countermeasures, which both contribute to the system's high level of effectiveness in contemporary conflict scenarios. Due to the fact that the Pulsar system is primarily marketed to government institutions and is subject to certain rules. Nevertheless, the fact that it is both adaptable and possesses advanced characteristics suggests that it is a high-value investment for defense operations. Blue Whale. A state-of-the-art autonomous underwater vehicle, the Blue Whale autonomous submarine system was created by Atlas Electronic and Israel Aerospace Industries. This 5.5-ton, 10.9-meter-long submarine is specially built for duties involving mine countermeasures, intelligence gathering, surveillance, and reconnaissance. Depending on the mission profile, its high-efficiency battery bank allows it to function continuously for 10 to 30 days. Various sensors, including as radar, electro-optical, infrared, and sonar systems, are housed in the blue whale's distinctive telescopic mast. This allows the vessel to identify and track targets both above and below the surface. With its stealthy design, it can conduct covert operations in treacherous coastal waters and wide seas. The system can be conveniently transported in a regular 40-foot shipping container by land, air, or sea. Rogue One Lethal Unmanned Aerial System. Teledyne FLIR Defenses. Rogue One Lethal Unmanned Aerial System is a cutting-edge vertical takeoff and landing drone with the capability to carry out lethal missions if desired. It can fly for 30 minutes at a time, reach speeds of over 70 miles per hour, and cover more ground than 10 kilometers, making it ideal for quick deployment. Featuring state-of-the-art electro-optical equipment, such as FLIR Boson 640+ thermal cameras, this single-pilot drone guarantees outstanding night-and-day reconnaissance and surveillance capabilities. The Rogue 1st of May be customized to carry both deadly and non-lethal payloads, thanks to its modular design. Its novel fusing technology improves mission flexibility by allowing safe recovery and reuse. The drone is an adaptable instrument for contemporary military operations because to its design. The Rogue One has an initial delivery order value of $12 million, with drones costing around $94,000 each. Racer Experiment 4. Participating in DARPA's Robotic Autonomy in Complex Environments with Resiliency initiative is the Racer Experiment 4. A new off-road autonomous vehicle called the Racer Heavy Platform, measuring 20 feet in length and carrying 12 tons of payload, was the subject of this experiment that took place in the latter half of 2023. The range of vegetation, trees, rocks, and slopes in the 15 square miles of Texas that were subjected to the experiment was extraordinarily varied. Whether it was night or day, the RHP showed remarkable adaptation by conquering these challenging surroundings. Strengthening the versatility and robustness of military robotic vehicles, the Racer initiative seeks to create autonomous systems that can navigate uncertain off-road environments. Because it is a government-funded research effort, the Racer Heavy Platform's cost is not made public. Textron Systems XM204. To improve the United States Army's terrain shaping and counter-mobility capabilities, the company Textron Systems developed the XM204, a sophisticated top-attack munition. When used in places without existing natural barriers, this anti-vehicle munition can impede or stop enemy vehicles in their tracks. When faced with difficult terrain, the XM204's standoff and top-attack capabilities come in handy. The United States Army granted Textron Systems a contract worth $353 million, which includes the XM204. We expect to finish producing and delivering the XM204 munitions and associated trainers by July 2027 under this contract. The munition is lightweight and versatile, serving either as a standalone system or as part of a larger network to alter terrain. The XM204 is an up-to-date answer to the Army's pressing problems. It gives troops a dependable weapon to manage the terrain and boost their efficiency in combat. SkyRanger R70, a state-of-the-art unmanned aerial system. The SkyRanger R70 is built for challenging missions. Thanks to its high level of autonomy and AI, it can fly semi-autonomously, detect objects, and classify them. The R70 transforms into a flying supercomputer thanks to its numerous NVIDIA TX2 processors. With an airframe made of carbon fiber and magnesium, it can endure gusts of up to 65 kph and fly at altitudes of up to 15,000 feet, guaranteeing its longevity. The R70 can carry a variety of payloads, including high-resolution imaging systems that improve situational awareness, up to 3.5 kilograms. Additionally, the R70 is robust. It can function in areas where GPS is unavailable and complete semi-autonomous tasks in the absence of a live command link. The SkyRanger R70's price tag of approximately $9,695 reflects its high-end features and sturdy construction. Active Protection System. An active protection system is a defense mechanism designed to detect and neutralize incoming threats, such as anti-tank guided missiles and rocket-propelled grenades, before they can hit a vehicle. APS uses sensors to detect threats and deploys countermeasures to intercept and destroy them mid-flight. This technology significantly enhances the survivability of armored vehicles on the battlefield. One notable example is the Trophy APS, which offers 360 degrees protection and has been combat-proven by the Israel Defense Forces since 2009. The system is available in configurations for both heavy and medium armored vehicles. The cost of APS can vary widely depending on the system and its capabilities. For instance, the Trophy system is estimated to cost around $350,000 to $500,000 per unit. This investment is considered worthwhile due to the enhanced protection and increased survivability it provides to military assets.